Is your peanut butter jar a flavorless mystery? Let's dive into a factory and crack the code on peanut butter production. We're talking mountains of peanuts, nutty roasting secrets, and the surprising truth about that smooth, creamy spread. Can you make better peanut butter at home? And what's that one secret ingredient some brands use? Spoiler alert, it's not magic, but it might surprise you. Stick around to witness the peanut butter transformation from farm to creamy perfection, and discover if your favorite brand makes the cut. Chapter 1. The Humble Beginnings. Forget towering factories and whirring machinery for a moment. The story of peanut butter begins not with industrial marvels, but with the humble peanut plant. These sun-worshipping soil legumes thrive in warm climates, with rows upon rows stretching as far as the eye can see. Did you know that the United States is the second largest producer of peanuts globally, after China? In fact, over 3 million metric tons of peanuts were harvested in the US alone in 2022. But beneath the seemingly simple exterior lies a fascinating process. Peanuts aren't actually nuts. They're legumes related to peas and beans. Unlike their above-ground counterparts, peanuts grow underground. Farmers carefully pull up the entire plant once the peanuts mature, revealing a cluster of peanut pods clinging to the roots. Harvest season typically falls in the fall, transforming fields into a sea of activity. Giant combines equipped with peanut-specific attachments carefully extract the plants from the soil. The peanuts are then separated from the vines and sent on a journey to drying facilities. After drying, the peanuts are finally ready to embark on the next leg of their adventure, the exciting transformation into the creamy spread we all know and love. But before they reach the factory floor, one last crucial step awaits them: the removal of their shells. Chapter 2. Shelling and Roasting, the Symphony of Flavor. The raw peanuts arrive at the factory in their natural shells, resembling tiny brown nuggets. But before they can be transformed into the creamy spread we know and love, they face their first big transformation, shedding their outer armor. This behemoth is the sheller, a mechanical marvel responsible for separating the peanuts from their shells. With impressive efficiency, the sheller cracks open the shells using a combination of pressure and impact. Imagine a colossal nutcracker processing thousands of peanuts per minute. Now free from their shells, the peanuts are ready for their next step, the crucial roasting process. The roasting ritual. These ovens are like giant toasters, meticulously calibrated to roast the peanuts at a specific temperature and for a precise amount of time. The roasting process is a delicate dance, as over-roasting can burn the peanuts and create a bitter flavor, while under-roasting can leave them bland and unappetizing. The sweet smell of success. As the roasted peanuts emerge from the ovens, a delightful aroma fills the air. It's the unmistakable fragrance of toasted nuts, a testament to the successful transformation. These roasted peanuts are now not only easier to grind, but also boast a deeper, more complex flavor profile. But the journey doesn't end here. The next chapter will delve into the world of grinding, where these roasted treasures are pulverized into the smooth or chunky peanut butter we all love. Chapter 3. The Great Grind. The grinding process isn't a one-shot deal. It's a meticulously controlled ballet in stages. First, the roasted peanuts enter a coarse grinder. Imagine a giant food processor on steroids. Here, the peanuts are shattered into a chunky, peanutty rubble. But the journey doesn't end there. The chunky peanut mixture is then conveyed to a series of progressively finer grinding stones. With each stage, the texture becomes smoother, the peanut flavor intensifies, and a creamy magic starts to take shape. The science behind grinding is fascinating. Friction from the grinding stones generates heat, which can affect the flavor and texture of the peanut butter. Factory technicians carefully monitor the temperature throughout the process to ensure a consistent and delicious final product. By the time the peanuts have completed their grinding odyssey, they've been transformed into a smooth or delightfully chunky peanut butter base, ready for the next exciting step in their journey, the Flavor Symphony. Chapter 4. mixing up a masterpiece. The first ingredient to join the party is salt. A sprinkle of salt enhances the natural flavor of the peanuts, making them taste deeper and richer. Studies from the National Institutes of Health have shown that a dash of salt can heighten the perception of sweetness, fat, and creaminess in foods. This is why even peanut butter with minimal sugar content can still taste satisfyingly sweet. Depending on the brand, sugar is often the next ingredient to be added. The amount of sugar varies greatly. Some brands might boast a no sugar added label, while others might cater to those with a sweeter tooth. The average jar of peanut butter in the United States packs around 6 grams of sugar per serving, according to a 2023 report by the United States Department of Agriculture. But sugar isn't the only option for adding sweetness. Some brands might use natural sweeteners like honey or molasses, while others explore sugar substitutes for a diabetic-friendly option. Next, some manufacturers introduce a little healthy fat in the form of oil. This oil, often hydrogenated or partially hydrogenated, helps prevent the peanut butter from separating. Think of it as the glue that keeps all the delicious peanut particles together, creating that smooth and spreadable texture we crave. While some consumers might shy away from hydrogenated oils due to potential health concerns, a small amount can significantly improve the texture and shelf life of the product. These core ingredients, salt, sugar, or a sweetener, and sometimes oil, are the foundation of most peanut butters. However, the fun doesn't stop there. Some brands add a sprinkle of cocoa powder for a chocolatey twist, while others might throw in chopped nuts or dried fruit for added texture. Depending on your taste preferences, the peanut butter aisle can be a playground of delicious possibilities. With all the ingredients assembled, giant mixers churn the concoction until it reaches a uniform consistency. The result? A vat of creamy peanut butter, ready to be bottled and enjoyed. Chapter 5. From factory floor to your fridge. The creamy concoction graduates from the factory floor to its final destination, your fridge. The peanut butter is hygienically pumped into sanitized jars at high speeds. Fun fact: did you know that the average peanut butter factory can churn out millions of jars in a single day? That's a lot of peanut butter sandwiches. Once filled, the jars are sealed with an airtight whoosh, ensuring freshness. Labels are then applied, detailing the ingredients, nutritional information, and that ever-important expiration date. Finally, the jars are stacked onto pallets and whisked away to warehouses and distribution centers. From there, they embark on a journey to grocery stores, waiting patiently to be scooped up by eager peanut butter enthusiasts like yourselves. So next time you reach for a jar of peanut butter, remember the incredible journey it took to get there. From humble beginnings on a farm to the bustling factory floor, each step plays a crucial role in transforming peanuts into the creamy or crunchy spread we all know and love. So, that's the incredible story of peanut butter. What did you find most surprising? Did it make you crave a peanut butter and jelly sandwich? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed learning about peanut butter, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more delicious adventures. We explore the fascinating world of food production, one bite at a time. See you next time.